Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's class. So in this class, we want to look at the corrections to quiz on limit of accuracy. So the first question we have here says a bag of apples weighs 7 kilograms. Correct to the nearest kilogram. What is the least possible weight of the bag of apples? So before the question answer, that is lower bound, lower limit. That was the question asking you to solve. So the least possible, that is lower bound of the apple. So to do that, the first thing you need to find the maximum error. So to get the maximum error, since this is correct to the nearest kilogram, that is correct maximum error will then be 1 kilogram. Don't forget that if a measurement is given to the nearest to a particular unit, so the maximum possible error for that measurement is half of that unit. So since it's a 1 kilogram, it's going to be half of 1 kilogram. That's going to be 0.5 kilogram. So the minimum, the least possible weight of this measurement will then be 7 minus 0.5 kilogram. So which is going to give us 6.5 kilogram. So I hope this is very clear. So this is the answer here. So for question 2, we have the speed of a car is 50 meter per hour, that's mph, correct to the nearest 10 meters per hour. So what is going to happen? You write down the least possible speed, that is lower bound again. So since the question is to the nearest 10 meters, so the nearest 10 meters, so that is the units, meters per hours. So that is 10. So that means we're going to have maximum error here. Maximum error will then be equal to 10 divided by 2. So this is nearest 10, then that's going to be 5 meter per hour. How that is clear? So the least possible speed of the car will then be 50 minus 5 mph. So that's going to give us 45 mph. And that is the least. So if it is the maximum, you add 5 to it. So that's what the question 3 is asking. So the question 6 says, what's the greatest possible? So that's going to be 50 plus 5. And that gives 55 mph. So which is this as well. So the next question is question 4. The distance between the sun and earth is 150 million kilometers. So correct to two significant figures. Write down the lower bound. Now, in this case, what you're going to do here, we have 150 million, right? Correct to two significant figures. So two significant figures, first in which uh, units of value. So this is 100,000 and this is million, that is 10 million. So it means it is 10 million. That's what it means. So to now get the maximum error will be 10 million divided by 2, which will give us what? 5 million. I repeat again, because we are changing into two significant figures, and two significant figures stopped at 5 here, right? That 5, what is the value of that 5 there? Is what? 50 million. That is 10 or tens of million. That is 10 million divided by 2. We said the unit is half, the maximum error will be what? Half of the what? Of the unit. And the unit here is what? 10 million. So half of it. So the question asks, write down the lower bound. The lower bound will then be 150 million minus 5 million. That's going to be 145 million kilometers. So if it is maximum now, I mean that is the next one. What is the upper bound? So upper bound will be 150 plus 5 million. That's going to give 155 million. I hope this is very clear. So that is that on the limit of accuracy. Understanding of this concept will help you a lot when we get to percentage error. So we're going to continue in our next class and we're moving to percentage error. Bye for now. Thank you.